right now.
Wait, okay, I need to check it out. No, because like I'm actually scared that like actually we lose Bran. Like if we get like Vyrah, but and we get to choose, right? Like it's cool. And it like it will be like sad as well, because basically it means that like each expansion we need we get like another companion. But like for example, like I already know that like we'll get to play with Vyrah in next expansion. Let's hope that like wait. Apparently it is. Okay, so actually like this is actually like, well, on the bad side, because like technically the logic is that like I'm not a fan of Bran, right, as a Delph companion, but I'm a fan of fucking Vyrah, right? And I already know that like for the Last Titan, so the next expansion, we won't have Vyrah. So the fans of Bran, they lose. Oh my fucking god! This actually like, I really, well, seeing like the changes. Maybe they will fucking like this. Maybe they will offer different like Delph companions. I will recheck just in case. No, apparently like apparently like this is actually fucking stupid, because like technically like balancing like a Delph companion is really like not that much, and for like it will suck. It sucks for everyone, because technically like I don't like Bran, but like I know that like some people, well, you wrote it, Shazam, that like you prefer like Bran, right? And I'm like, yeah, and for me who prefer Vyrah, I already know that next expansion I won't get to play with Vyrah, to do delves with Vyrah. So yeah, technically like I really hope they understand that like I really hope that they change this mistake, and because like for me it's a game design mistake. Like when it comes to balancing, it's really easy to balance the Delph companion. It's really easy to, and so for real, this so far Midnight looks really good, but like this is really like the only problem I found with Midnight features, which is taking away a feature, taking away a Delph companion, while oh yeah, just Blizzard, give us like the choice to between Bran and Vyrah, like for real, like it's doable. Come on.